Hello, I'm Laura, and this is Our Life Simplified. Thank you for joining today. In this video, I am going to be showing you how I seed save my basil plants and replant them into the pots that are right here. I have 5 different pots, 4 of which have the remnants of my basil plants from last year. This is super simple. It's a very quick video. So this is how I seed save. I'm just going to take these seeds. If you kind of rub them in your hands, all those black, oh my God, this smells amazing. All those black pieces are seeds. So right there, right there, right there, and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to collect a bunch of these seeds, and I'm going to reuse, if you watched my video on me adding some more compost and amendments to my soil in my green stalks, talk to you about how I created the soil for that, and I have some left over in the wheelbarrow. I'm just going to top off these pots using this soil mix that has been amended, and I will show you how I plant the seeds. It is seriously this easy. Just take my fingers, I gently pull, and there they are. I'm just going to collect them on this plate. I did not prune these back like I should have last year, so they're very tall. But I tell you what, basil, oh my gosh, it is amazing. I also plant basil in my regular vegetable garden, which is out there. It makes a fantastic companion plant to tomatoes and peppers. So I always take these seeds and just sprinkle them amongst in between my tomato and pepper plants. And I truly believe it helps keep the hornworms at bay. The dreaded hornworms. I'm probably not going to use all of these seeds in these pots. I will probably save some of them and plant them in my garden. And if you've been following me at all, I do germinate most of my vegetables, and I have cantaloupes, cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, all germinating in my grow room. Oh my gosh, I don't know about you, but I love the smell of basil. And even though these are spent, I can still smell it. It's so good. It smells more like a dried basil because, well, after all, these seeds are dry. So I'm going to continue doing this and clean out these pots, and then I'll show you the next step. And I'll show you how easy it is to pull these out. They have a shallow root system. So basically just come in here, just kind of tug a little bit. Shake off the extra dirt, put it in my garbage pail. Just kind of mixing that soil up a little bit, kind of churning it up, breaking it up, and getting it nice and loose. It's okay to leave some of the leaves in there. Just break them up. They're going to decompose. It'll be great for the soil composition. So I'm just going to use up the rest of this compost soil mix. Todd's gonna be so happy that I got this wheelbarrow empty. It's had a heaping pile of compost in here for a while now. I'm just gonna smooth this out. And let me show you how simple this is and how I do this. I am just going to take these seeds. I'm literally going to gently break them up in my hand, and then I'm just going to fluff the soil. That's it. Fluff the soil. So simple, so easy. If you would like to see what it looks like here in, I'd say probably the next month or so, be sure you subscribe and I will show you what it looks like. So I have all these left that I am going to go ahead and save so I could put in my garden. And that's how simple it is. Free strawberry seeds from my leftover basil plants from last year. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, be sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can check the progress on all of my gardening, including what this is going to look like here shortly. Anyways, that's a wrap. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Until next time.